Good evening and welcome to Godwin Tech. In today's teaching, I'm going to walk you through on how to update Windows 11. So if your computer runs Windows 11 operating system, this teaching is for you. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to connect your system to the internet. As you can see there, GTech internet access enabled. Okay, so my PC here is already connected to the internet. Now after that, if there are updates that you need to do on your computer, the Windows update icon will show up. You can see that is here. I can click here, then I will be taken to the page and make an update. Sometimes some updates may be available, but the icon will not show up. And how do you go about it? You come to this search app, click on the search app. Then in this search space, type Windows update. Okay, just like I have done. So see the Windows update settings option here, click on it. You can see I've been taken to Windows update settings. Here the updates available for this PC has been downloaded, so I need to restart the PC for it to be fully installed and be updated. Okay, but sometimes this icon may not show here. This icon restart now may not show it. What you can see here is update. So click on that update button, okay, and wait for it to be downloaded, for the updates to be downloaded, and you then restart your system. Okay, sometimes the update may try go on, but it fails. And what you see here is restart. Sorry, not restart. What you may see here is retry. So click on the retry button for the update to start afresh again, which after that you restart your PC and the update is then installed on your computer. So these are just the few steps you need to take to install updates on your Windows 11 computer. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you, and see you some other time.